Hey, do you have drift in your Joy-Cons? Hey, check this out. I'm going to teach you how to fix it really quick. This is drift right here on this blue controller. Basically, if I press to the left, it kind of sticks to the left. So we're going to fix that really quick. And this is a good example of what a good controller does. It goes right back to the center. And again, this is the bad controller. When you press to the left, it sticks to the left. So we're going to fix that. Go ahead and grab your iFixit kit. I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the link in my bio. You will need a 3-prong Phillips and then a normal Phillips that are very small to get to some of these screws. Use a flathead or similar to pop the battery off. The silver piece is what we really need to get to. Take off this internal cover by taking off these 5 screws. You can use a business card as a little spacer. As a realtor, you get like 5 million of these business cards, so I'm just going to go ahead and use one and cut it up. Look at that hair, by the way. Now you just want to cut the card just big enough to fit over that silver piece. So I feel like I messed up a little bit right here. I should have put my face there instead of my shirt. That way when you open up the Joy-Con, you see my face and you're like, what the heck? And then just put it all back together. So what happens is over time, the joystick kind of wears out the contact pads, and then you use the card in the back of the silver piece to push the contact pads into the joystick. And testing this out to make sure we fixed it, and it looks like we did because it goes back to center every time we move the joystick. Yes, sir. Now we're ready to play some Overcooked.